guys? I hope you're doing very well. And I actually have pulled the trigger and have bought the DJI Mini 2. So I got the Fly More combo. Let's do an unboxing. Let's see what is included. Let's go ahead and let's do an unboxing. Put this paper on the side. Put this here. And what do we get? Okay. So we get the actual bag. So we have the bag right here. I'm going to put the box to the side, and on this box, let's open the actual bag. It seems like it is some type of watertight, and so when you open it, what do we have here? We have the actual control. We have the Mini 2 right here. Okay, what else do we have? We have this other box. We have some stuff here. Let's open the zipper, and we get extra propellers, screwdriver, extra propellers, extra control sticks, propellers. All right. So excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, I'm going to put this back to the side and see what else is in the box, okay? So we have the propellers here. Let's put this to the side. Over here in this little black box, let's see what we have. We have the paperwork. Recommend to read it. Alright. What do we have in this one? It says accessories. And in the accessories we have cables that go from the remote to your phone, or whichever device you use. It goes from USB-C to USB-C, and it goes from USB-C to micro USB-C. So we get two cables here. So we get the charging hub. So the charging hub, it includes two batteries. I guess the other battery is in the actual drone. So they're actually smaller than the DJI Mini 1. So we have this. What else? We have the charging brick. Okay. We get a USB-C cable, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so then let's open this one. Let's go ahead and open this, which is actual, oh, this is nice. So this is the actual remote. Excellent, let's put it right here. So the remote has the control sticks on the bottom. Let's go ahead and put it together. Let's put it together here. So nice and snug. And it comes with, I bet you it is the lightning cable for Apple. Yep, that's what it is. I do have a iPhone, so this is perfect. So this remote is actually just like the Mavic Air 2 remote. So perfect. Now the truth. Mavic 2. I really like this holder. It's pretty nice. So let's open. Let's open. Very nice. Alright. So let's go ahead and take the stickers off. Oops. I was trying to be careful, but I guess it didn't work. So let's go ahead and try this sticker out. Okay. And the Fly More combo is $5.99, and I got it at DJI.com. I will go ahead and put the link below. All right. Well, so the material is actually seems to be stronger than the first DJI Mini, the first one. And let's go ahead and do this. Take the sticker off, and if you look on the back, it actually has the third battery. I will go ahead and set it up. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it. Perfect. We have a USB-C. We have the micro SD card spot, and we have the actual camera here, the gimbal, another two stickers. So here we go. Here in the front, it actually looks like it has bent. On the first DJI Mini, it was like a sticker. We have the LED light, so pretty good so far. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to set up the drone. I'm gonna charge it, I'm gonna set it up, and I will be bringing you guys with the first impressions, some videos with the settings that I usually use. So please stay tuned. I will go ahead and put the link just below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to go ahead and click like and subscribe. I will go ahead and bring more videos with the DJI Mavic Mini. Alright guys, thank you so much.